In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. Individual commitment to a group effort, that is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, a civilization work. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Teamwork is the ability to work together towards a common vision. Remember, teamwork begins by building trust, and the only way to do that is overcome our need for invulnerability. I invite everyone to choose forgiveness rather than division, teamwork over personal ambition. Many hands make light work. The best teamwork comes from men who are working independently. The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is a team. Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. Teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success. Teamwork makes the dream work. Collaboration allows teachers to capture each other's fund of collective intelligence. Teamwork is the ability to work together towards a common vision, the ability to direct individual accomplishment towards organizational objective. It is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. Together, ordinary people can achieve extraordinary results. A successful team is a group of many hands and one mind. The nice thing about teamwork is that you always have others on your side. Teamwork is the ability to work as a group towards a common vision, even if that vision becomes extremely blurry.